Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Today you are going to learn about isosceles triangles of chapter triangles. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, suppose this is triangle ABC. If AB is equal to AC, we say it as an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So in triangle ABC, if AB is equal to AC, angle B is equal to angle C, we know. But how to prove that? We can prove this. If two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are equal, and also if two angles of a triangle are equal, their opposite sides are equal, we can prove in the form of theorems. So your first theorem here is the angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, let me draw. Okay, if ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC, you have to prove that angle B is equal to C. Let me draw clearly. Here what is given to you is ABC is a triangle given to you. The angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle, opposite to two equal sides of a triangle, you can write AB is equal to AC given. You have to prove that angle B is equal to C. That means what is given is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. You have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Opposite to angle AB is angle C. Opposite to AC is angle B. You have to prove. For this, you need construction step. What you have to construct is draw AD, the bisector of angle A, which meets BC at D. Draw AD, the bisector of angle A, which meets BC at D. Okay. Now actual proof step comes. Your proof is, can you make these two triangles congruent? Once you are able to make these two triangles congruent, by CP/CTC we can prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Can we prove or not? So let me rub the top portion and show the proof step. Okay, let me start here. Proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in triangle ABD and the triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC given. Yes or no? AB is equal to AC given, and AD is the common side. In both the triangles, AD is the common side. Okay, and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Just now we have constructed, okay, the bisector of A. So side angle side, under SAS condition, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD under SAS condition. And already you have learnt the conditions of congruency. Once the two triangles are congruent, by CP/CTC, remaining parts are equal. Therefore, angle B of this triangle ABD is equal to angle C of triangle ACD. They are equal by CP/CTC. This is how we can prove that if two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are equal. That is the property of an isosceles triangle, and it's a very important property of an isosceles triangle. How to prove, I have explained. And converse of this theorem is, if two angles of a triangle are equal, their opposite sides are equal. That we have to prove. They are the properties, but how to prove, let me explain you in the form of theorems. Converse of this means just opposite to this. In this theorem, sides are equal given, their opposite angles are equal, you proved, and the converse of that theorem is the sides opposite to two equal angles of a triangle are equal. That means two angles are equal, that is given. Let me name this triangle as PQR. In triangle PQR, what is given to us is opposite to two equal angles. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to angle R given. We have to prove that the sides opposite to them are equal. We have to prove that opposite to Q is PR, opposite to R is PQ. PQ is equal to PR, you have to prove. Same way, you have to do construction. We have to construct, draw PS, the bisector of angle P. Draw PS, the bisector of angle P, which meets QR at S. QR at S. Okay? Same way, let us prove these two triangles are congruent. Then, by CP/CTC, we will be able to show that PQ is equal to PR. Okay? Here let us see what way we are able to prove. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. We made constructed. And PS is a common side. We don't know PQ equal to PR or not, that we have to prove. So under AA's condition, these two triangles are congruent. Once they are congruent, by CP/CTC, PQ equal to PR. Okay. So proof step. In triangle PQS and the triangle PRS, angle Q is equal to angle R, that is given to us. And PS is equal to PS, that is the common side for both the triangles. And we bisected, PS bisect. So angle QPS is equal to angle RPS, that is what we have constructed. Therefore, triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PRS under AAS condition. Okay. Once these two triangles are congruent, by CP/CTC, PQ equal to PS. Therefore, PQ equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR by CP/CTC. That is what proved. Theorem is proved. I hope your concept is clear about the isosceles triangle and its properties. And so sometimes when solving the sums, sides are equal will be given to you. You have to apply this knowledge and you have to show that if sides are equal, angles are equal, sometimes angles, equal angles will be given to you. You have to show that the sides are equal, and by applying this you will be able to solve any more sums, and very easily you will be able to do this exercise. Thank you.